Still building employee shift schedules by hand in Excel or Google Sheets. This video shows a real scheduling workflow. Set required staffing by weekday and specific date. Automatically create a draft shift schedule. Review it, edit it, and rerun when conditions change. In this video, we start with 8 employees already set up in an Excel-like scheduler. First, set the required staff for each day. Sundays need 0 people, and the other days need 6. For January 4, change the required staff to 3. Then click Run, and the scheduler automatically creates an optimized draft shift schedule based on those conditions. The result appears in the grid, so the shift planner can review the automatically created draft schedule. Now suppose one employee is unavailable on a specific day. Mark that cell as unavailable. Run it again, and the employee shift schedule draft is automatically rebuilt with that unavailable day included. The grid updates with the new draft. Also, if you want to keep one employee assigned on a certain day, mark that cell is locked. After rerunning, the scheduler keeps the locked assignment, while automatically adjusting the draft schedule. You can also make manual edits directly in the grid, such as locking a blank day or marking an assigned day as unavailable. Click Run again, and the next draft reflects the edits you made. This keeps the workflow familiar. Set conditions, create a draft. Review the grid, edit it, and rerun when things change. For more details, visit the link in this channel's About section.